Hi there. Stay safe. We are making broken wheat and Rajma cutlets today. Packed with protein and fiber, the cutlets are a healthy snack option. They have a bite to them and taste awesome. You will be able to make them perfectly. No sweat. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. Soak the Rajma overnight and cook them till they are just done. Drain the water. Half a cup of lapsi for this recipe. This is also known as broken wheat, bulgur or dalia. Wash it 2 to 3 times in water and then cook it for 2 to 3 minutes in 1 cup of boiling water. Drain the water. So click the link above to see how you can cook lapsi. Wash it down with water to remove the extra starch. Leave it to drain for about 10-15 minutes. Take a large non-stick pan. Add a little bit of oil. Let that heat up. Add in the lapsi. We'll cook it till all the water dries up. It's still a little wet and we don't want that extra moisture. That looks quite dry to me. So I'll just turn off the heat and let it cool down. In a large bowl, add in 2 cups of cooked rajma and mash it up. That's it. The lapsi, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of chaat masala powder, black salt, teaspoon of grated garlic, 1 medium-sized firm tomato de-seeded and chopped finely, some spring onions about half a cup, 1/3 cup of chopped capsicum, green chilies according to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Add it all in. Two teaspoons of mustard oil, 2 medium-sized potatoes boiled and grated, and about a cup of fresh breadcrumbs. So let me just mix it up. That looks nice and colorful. Time to use my fingers. Always does a better job. Add in the potato and mix it well. Once that has been mixed well, taste it and adjust the seasoning. Add in some breadcrumbs, about half a cup, and mix it a final time. Shape it into cakes, as big or small as you want. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Coat it with the breadcrumbs. Keep aside. Get on with the rest of them. Once they are done, just let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes before you fry them or bake them. Shallow fry the cakes in hot oil. Your likes, shares and comments mean a lot. Keep them coming till they have a nice color on them. So flipping them over, they have a nice color. So 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side should be good enough to get a nice color. That's on medium heat. Time to get them out. beaten curd or dahi. Add in a tiny bit of garlic paste, dash of black salt. Mix it up and the dip is ready. Place a dollop of the dip, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes and a rajma each, just for fun. Serve the cutlets hot with the yogurt dip and enjoy!